Ever wished you could upload those stunning pics straight from your computer to Instagram without having to mess with your phone? Well, luckily, it's easier than ever. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to post on Instagram from your computer, covering both the direct method and handy third-party options, all helping you streamline your content creation first. Let's explore posting directly through the Instagram website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Instagram website. Now here's the deal: you might need to do a little workaround if the usual upload icon isn't showing. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. This will open the developer tools, which might seem a little complicated at first, but don't worry. Click on the mobile device icon, typically located near the top of the developer tools window. This is the toggle device toolbar icon, and it's the key to tricking Instagram into thinking you're on a mobile device. Choose a mobile device like iPhone X or Pixel 5. Once the page refreshes, you'll see the familiar Instagram interface as if you were on your phone. Now, you should be able to see the plus icon at the bottom. Click that. Select the photo or video you want to upload from your computer and follow the on-screen prompts like captioning your post, applying filters, and tagging people. Tap share, and boom, your content is live. Now, let's talk about a powerful alternative: third-party applications for scheduling and posting. Many of these apps offer features such as the ability to plan your content calendar, schedule posts in advance, and even manage multiple accounts. They usually provide features like auto-optimization, helping you post at the ideal time. Some popular options are Buffer, Hootsuite, and later. These services generally involve a simple sign-up and account connection. After logging in, you'll typically connect your Instagram account. You can then upload your media, write your captions, and schedule your posts for a future date and time. This lets you organize your content in advance and stay consistently active on Instagram, a game changer for social media management. That's it. You have a couple of ways to start posting from your computer. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and social media secrets.